Hello beautiful women, I am Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across the globe who are looking to reinvent themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the hottest trend of 2023, which is I'm very sure going to carry forward in coming years, styling wide leg jeans. Now when we talk about wide leg jeans, we are always confused. The balance, the proportion, will it suit my body type, will it not work for my height? So I'm going to give you a few ways as to how you can style your wide leg jeans and look effortlessly stylish. So let's get started. So let's start with the first one. Basic but can never go wrong. Pairing your tank top with wide leg jeans and is also approved by celebrities. Number 2, never underestimate the power of a scarf that can act as a third layer. Number 3, layering. If you live in a hot region but you still want to layer your wide leg jeans, then I would suggest going for a vest. Now this one is my favorite, pairing a blazer with your wide leg jeans but is also widely popular as street style. Layering can never go wrong. So if you want to create a chic look, try pairing denim on denim. Try crop denim jacket with your wide leg jeans for a chic look. If you want to layer but you do not want to feel hot, then I would suggest pairing it up with a georgette cape. Add a little bit of silver jewelry and you are ready for a boho look. Now this is one style that probably I would never try, but this is super popular with Gen Zs. Half tuck your t-shirt and pair your wide leg jeans with your chunky sneakers. Moving on to next one, creating a classy look. Pair your wide leg jeans with a round chalk shirt and you will not go wrong. This is how I like to style my wide leg jeans. Pair it up with a satin shirt, add a little belt and you're ready for a night out. Another way to style your wide leg jeans is to pair it up with a floral top where you can do the half tuck to create that casual fun vibe. But hey, if you're not somebody who likes to tuck your top ins, then I would say let the flowy top be and enjoy the casual look. Now let's go a little Indian, because why not? Here I've paired my wide leg jeans with a straight kurti, added a silver neck piece to create a fun and a boho look, and also a fresh perspective on styling your kurtis with jeans. So these were just few looks that I ended up creating by using one piece, the wide leg jeans. Now however, this is just one piece which is trending, but what I believe is if you have the right basics in your wardrobe, then there is no limit that how many looks you can create. That's why I say more team players and less single players. And if you want to know how you can create endless looks with your own wardrobe, then it's time for you to book your styling session with us. This is Ishita Saluja, your style partner, signing off. But do not forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon. Make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, remember, style is for everyone and yours is within you.